Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys all the products that I got from Nykaa. I did a lot of shopping from Nykaa and more specifically, most of these products are from their Nykaa Luxe store. And as I'm filming, today is the 26th of January. Happy Republic Day. And if it's the first time you're seeing this face, hi, I'm Aarati. I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. If you like such kind of videos, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And without any further ado, let's get started. Before getting onto the luxury makeup part of it, let me quickly talk about a little bit of restocks that I did. The first one definitely had to be the Cetaphil's Oily Skin Cleanser. Now this is something that is my holy grail. On a day-to-day basis, I do try a lot of skincare, a lot of face washes, moisturizers and all of that. But sometimes when I feel like my skin is on the verge of breaking out or my skin is really bad, I go back to this. This has been my holy grail for years now. Recently, I've been using it for the past 4 years now. Yeah, past 2-3 years I've been using this. So I got 2 of these just in case, because the last time I wanted to buy this, everything it was out of stock. I literally had to go on a physical hunt for this, and I think I found about 6 bottles that I was about to take to the Sweden, and I'm just left with 1 more of it. So definitely I'm never going to not have enough of this. So I restocked on that. That's number 1. Oh, also my shopping did exceed the amount of 5,000. So they gave me this free pouch that Janhvi Kapoor has signed. I'm not a fan of this pouch because it's too tiny and you can't fit anything in this, is my opinion. But anyways, yeah. Another product that I have that I loved and used so much is the Minimalist Squalene. Now this is something that I really like. It's a very lightweight squalene product. And it comes in this kind of a dark packaging. I did want to try the ordinary one, but the thing is I really like this one so much, and it's very inexpensive. I got this for $4.99 or $3.99. I will leave all the prices on the screen. Every day there's a sale on Minimalist, and the ordinary was around 850 rupees. It never is not on sale. Usually even on sale it's for around 600 rupees. I felt like 400 is much more affordable, so I picked this up. Very scared that I'm gonna burn my hair. The next thing that I wanted to try from a Minimalist is their lip balm. Now this is their SPF 30 lip balm. I do have a lip balm called as Blistex. I did not get it from, you can't find it in India. I got it from Sweden and I really loved it. In my recent trip to Gokarna, I did apply it a lot because no matter wherever you apply your skincare and sunscreen, you never apply it to the lips. So I really wanted to try like an Indian brand so that I can recommend to you guys. So I got this. I did try it. You guys, it's so tiny, so cute. It's very cute, and it's extremely like travel friendly. It comes in this digging pot. That is the only thing that I'm not like a big fan of. But let me try and let you guys know whether it's really good or not. Now that you were on the verge of lip balms, let me talk to you guys about a lip balm that I have been raving so much since the day I have found it in India. That is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I love it so much, and I'm somebody who uses a lot of lip balm throughout the day as well. Even though the Laneige is a lip sleeping mask, I like to use it throughout the day on the days when I don't apply anything. And I definitely got this apart from them. This is their Midnight Minis set. This is like a 5-piece set. It comes with its own spatula. There is gummy bear, there's berry flavored, there's mango flavored, vanilla flavored, and mint chocolate chip flavored. I really love the smell of these, and these are extremely cute. And they're very tiny. That is the best part about this. This is so tiny, like literally they're as tiny. And I feel like if you're going on a trip, you can take this and this together, and this is your morning lip balm and this is your night lip balm. Absolutely brilliant. And these are so tiny, and I feel like this is even tinier than this. Love it so much. And the smell, I think this is gummy bear, no? Yeah. These smell so nice. This smells like a chocolate that I want to like eat. This entire video only started because I was in the urge to find a good face palette that I can take with me on my trips. I did not want something that was a bronzer, contour and a highlighter, so that I just use that, because I am not somebody who likes to use them on a daily basis. Like even though I'm traveling, I love to get ready, and that is one of the main reasons I wanted to like I carry a lot of makeup with me when I'm traveling because I love getting ready in the morning. I love experimenting with the glitters on the eyes, and it's just my way. I just love getting ready like that. So I did find a couple of face palettes. The first one I have is this. This is the Revolution Pro's True Love face palette. I really love this palette so much. Like, look at those colors. They're absolutely brilliant. I love these colors. There's a beautiful deep pinky blush, the bronzer, there are two highlighting shades, there is a highlighter, it's like a pink highlighter. I love how beautiful it looks. It's absolutely pretty and it's amazing, and I feel like definitely I'm going to travel with one of this product because in my upcoming travels I love it. Face palettes is something that makes me happy. Another thing that I wanted to do is I on a daily basis, no matter whether I have makeup on or not, the one thing that I like to do is brush my eyebrows. I either put a little bit of tint or like a stick on gel or something like that, and I wanted to try this. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. Now this, I've heard such great reviews about it, so I wanted to try it. It's really affordable, and it comes in a very thin brush that's extremely thin. Love it, and I feel like it will work really good on my brows. I will definitely be doing a separate video about this, either on my shorts or on my full long length videos, so stay tuned for that. The next product comes, it reminds me of a very funny conversation that I had with my husband. I never realized that men do look at you, okay? They do observe everything. He just asked me like, why are you not applying your eyeliners these days? And I realized I did not have a black eyeliner, so I got one. This is the Lakme Iconic. But even before I go ahead and tell, you know, oh, it's a beautiful product, blah 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 blah, I don't think I got the correct product, and I'll try showing you guys why. The upper part of it, let me like zoom you in. Can you see this? Yeah. The upper part of it is so bad, like I have to make the amends and cut it off or something. I literally got the product like this, and when I apply an eyeliner like this, I know for a fact it's not going to stick. So I don't know whether I got a defective product or Lakme eyeliners are like that. I know for a fact Lakme eyeliners, the dabba one, the chotu wala we always use, the Insta liner was not like that. So kind of disappointed because this is a 200 rupees product. One of the crazy things that I do is I love saving these packagings just to show it to you for the video. This is for the Revolution Pro face palette. I really love how pretty it comes. It comes in a beautiful color. Love it. Alright, now let's talk about a product that's been doing rounds on the internet, and that is a holographic, and it's extremely affordable, and that is the Mars Northern Lights in a pan kind of a palette. I have all the 4 shades right here. I'm gonna like quickly swatch it for you guys right over here so that you can see. This is a beautiful color, you guys. If you do this, it looks greeny, it looks pink, it looks beautiful. All of these shades are like this. I'm definitely going to do like a separate video of shots only using these. I love these colors so much. I got 4 shades. There's something called as a Norwegian Lights, Canadian Gleam, Swirling Sweden, Finland Flash. I love these colors. They're so cute and they're so tiny. Love these ones. The next product I have is a blush, and that is a very beautiful bright blush, and that is from Makeup Revolution. This is the shade. It's so pretty. This is called as You Had Me at the First blush. It's so thick. It's so thick. It's like a thick cream kind of a shade consistency. I love this. But when you blend it, it is kind of like a purpley pink kind of a blush. Love it. It's like a beautiful like bright pink. And I feel like, imagine this in like, you know, London's gloomy weather when they're so gloomy. I feel like that'll be amazing. Now coming to the last product of the video, that is the Too Faced eyeshadow palettes. Now this is how pretty they are. They're like these cute Christmas bake shop kind of a combo. You do get your own Bed & Sex mascara. I completely forgot to get it here, but it's a really cute travel size. Let me show you guys the palettes. Are you guys ready? These are how cute they are. Like, look at them. Absolutely pretty. It has gingerbread cookies, it has sugar cookies, it has chocolate chip cookies. Lovely. The only con for them is they don't have a mirror, but look at these colors. Like, don't you think these are like amazing colors? This is a blush you can use, but I'm too dark for this blush. Look at these colors. It's so pretty. This is such a neutral eyeshadow palette. I love this one so much. And then you have another one, but this has a highlighter over here. Absolutely pretty again. Lovely. And the last palette is something that has a little bit of color, and that is this Look at this. Oh my god, you guys, this cute little blush. There's a little bit of a mint shade here. Love it so much. And all of these smell amazing. Oh my god, these smell like sugar cookies. This smells like a chocolate chip cookie, and this smells like a gingerbread cookie. Oh my god. I've never dug my hands into this palette because I was so scared. And it's so pretty. Like, I love these so much. And I feel like in my next traveling, I'm definitely going to pick one of this because it's a complete face palette. Absolutely love it. Oh my god, I completely forgot. That was not the last product. The last product is one of the most expensive lipsticks I will ever own. And that is the Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. It's in the shade Wild Orchid. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Coming to the lipstick itself, look at this shade, you guys. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. And this Pat McGrath over here, it's literally embossed inside. It's not even outside. It's absolutely pretty. And it comes in this pretty. Even the doe foot of this is absolutely pretty. And this is the shade. Oh my god, I don't feel like I'm going to waste this product. But look at that color, you guys. It's a beautiful, a mauve, pink, everyday kind of shade, and I will definitely wear this. And this is so beautiful. This is I bought it for 1900 bucks, so I think this is the most expensive lipstick I've ever bought that's never on a sale, because I definitely wanted to try Pat McGrath Labs for their, you've heard a lot of hype about this brand. I wanted to see the quality, so yeah, those are all the things that I got from the Nykaa haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's go.